let me show you the easiest way to clean your jewelry and other household products. It's using this ultrasonic cleaner. It does all the hard work for you, and it gets rid of all that gunk and like dirt that are inside of your products. So all you have to do, seriously, could not be simpler to use. Just lift the lid, put whatever products you're looking to clean inside, give it a couple minutes, and then voila, you have super clean products. So I really love this method because it's hands-free as well as super effective in cleaning things. Plus, the science behind it is pretty cool. It uses 40,000 hertz of ultrasonic waves, which create these little bubbles that get into all the nooks and crannies of your products and gives them that really sparkly clean. The reason why I prefer using this method as opposed to just hand cleaning is the fact that it gets 360 degrees of your product so that you're not scrubbing each individual little part of your product. It does all of that in one foul swoop. Plus, I love products that are super easy to use, and that is this product right here. Literally just plug it in, and then you are gonna put some water inside, dip your product in there, leave it in there a little while, and voila, you are ready to go. As you can see here, there are 3 buttons. It's the on-off button, a cleaning button, and then a degas button. The outer shell is made with super high quality ABS material, and the inside, once I pull these out, you can see is made with stainless steel. Something that I find really cool about this product is the fact that it has this button here that says degas. Basically, it removes the gases from the water that can cause the products inside to oxidize. So it's gonna keep your products lasting longer as well as being sparkly clean. Plus, I really appreciate how large the tank is inside. So once I remove this, here is how large the tank is inside. So it can hold way more than just jewelry. If I'm using it for jewelry, I'll put this in here so it'll take up a little bit of space and hold them really nicely in there. But it can also hold way more than just jewelry. It can hold eyeglasses, it can hold dentures. I've seen people use it for figurines, things like that. It can pretty much clean almost anything. Plus, it comes with everything that you need. So it comes obviously with the tank itself and the little inside pieces that you leave in there when you put it on. But it also comes with a super handy user manual that'll answer any questions that you have. Here, it just goes through kind of just like everything that you need. And it also comes with 2 little cloths that are perfect for cleaning your products once they come out of the tank. So it will be even more clean when you're drying it off, and then you're ready to use the product. So there is no downtime that you have to wait for this product once it's done. Literally, just once everything's clean, pull it out, wipe it off with these cloths, and you are ready to go. So let's go see it in action. When you're ready to use it, press the clean button. There are 5 preset cleaning cycles: 180 seconds, 280 seconds, 380 seconds, 480 seconds, and 90 seconds. This allows you to choose the appropriate setting based on the time you're wanting to clean your products. You can use this to clean so many different products: metals, glasses, ceramics, and more. You can also use it for other items like dentures, shaving blades, small household items such as keys, small tools, makeup brushes, or tableware. Really, the possibilities of what you can clean are endless. It's also super quiet, and I love the fact that you can set everything up and then just leave it, and when you come back, you will have perfectly clean products. So if you or someone you know is looking to clean some household products or jewelry, look no further. You have to try out this ultrasonic cleaner.